20 PC tips you need to know. I bet you don't know at least 10 of these Windows tricks. Number 15 completely changed how I use my If you want to rename bulk of files in one name, select all files and press F2. Now you can rename all of it in once. Copy anything you want. Press Windows plus V. You can see every text you copied in that clipboard. If you want to pin apps on your Start menu, right-click the app and select Pin to start. You can see the apps you selected. Did you know your Windows has GodMode? Create a new folder on your desktop. Rename it as the text I shown in the description. Open it. See, this will show you hundreds of hidden settings in your Windows. If you want to find your device specifications, press Windows plus pause buttons. Press Windows plus D to open Game Bar. You can monitor performance and FPS in your computer. Press Windows plus dot buttons to open hidden emoji keyboard on your computer. Click Windows plus numeric keys to open taskbar apps. To search for large files, type this in your search box. You can change to any value you want. Go to Personalized Settings and turn on Dark Mode. It looks cleaner and saves eye strain. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape buttons to open Task Manager quickly. If you're more concerned about security of your PC, when you go somewhere while PC on, simply press Windows plus L to lock your PC. If you want to minimize all apps once, press Windows plus D. To open on-screen keyboard, go to Command and type this prompt on it. You can work on 2 or more virtual desktops by clicking Windows plus Ctrl plus D. To move one desktop to another, simply click Windows plus Ctrl plus arrow keys. Go to Run by clicking Windows plus R. Type this. You will go to Performance Monitor. Have you accidentally deleted your browser tab? Don't worry. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. If you want to take screenshot, normally press Windows plus PRTSC. But if you want to take a screenshot in advance, press Windows plus Shift plus S. You can take the screenshot of any place you want separately. Right-click the Start button or press Windows plus X to open Start menu for Start options. If you want to check your system health, go to Run and open it as an administrator. Type this in there and press OK. Wait until it loading to 100%. You can see your system health. How many of these tips did you already know? Comment your score out of 20 below, and let's see who's a true Windows Power user. Thanks for watching. For more Windows tips, PC hacks, and tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.